Alright, folks, I'm back. TFG and Mike. Well, there won't be a speed run if there's ads in it now, will there? The funny thing is, the game developers say the ads are supposed to be every 5 levels. And even though I've already played these levels, that was 1003 and 1004, that was 2 levels. I guess they're counting if you played 5 levels previous. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, 1005. This is bombs. Normally I don't do commentary on bomb levels, but because this is the sort of speed run, whatever I'm kind of doing here, I guess I'm going to do commentary on these. I don't normally do these levels for commentary because, I don't know, I usually just end up using Sup Ladies all the time, which is about to run out, honestly. Because I use that power up a lot. Seriously? That only took out 1 bomb? Really? And that's the other thing, is that recording a YouTube video for a mobile game that calls their level diffuse bombs, I get it. It's a game. Most game developers, most game companies are not assuming that... Oh, are you kidding me? Wait, it started with 6 bombs? How did I get to 9? This game... Well, that was weird. Anyway, I'm not putting bomb in any of my descriptions or titles or anything like that, because heaven forbid the YouTube gods come after me for, oh my god, you're a Tucker terrorist. Not. That's not a thing. Don't make that a thing, folks. Alright, no ad. Come on, fingers crossed. Oh, son of a bitch. Hey, at least everybody's getting to see the... even though I'm probably going to cut this part out. Oops, too far. Where is... Here we go. It's up by the lake. There we go. 1006. Zoomy gravity. Hey, I'm actually learning to use YouTube Editor. I'm not proficient with it, but I'm actually learning to use it. So there's that. So a lot of these edited parts in these, what I'm calling speed runs of the game here. At least a lot of the edited parts actually get cut out. If I remember to do it. Of course, because I'm wanting to do this once I get the 900 levels online. I'm pretty sure I'll remember to do this, since this is going to be more fresh in my mind versus uploading level 1200 3 months from now, or whenever it is. Oh. One of the dogs barked, and I was like, oh, the level over already? Hey! Get that out of there. Damn it. Alright, you gotta... Okay, now, can we do this? There we go. There we go. Alright, let's see what we get next. See, look. No, oh well. Okay. Well. 44. What was that level? That was 1006, right? Wow. Trying to speed run this stuff and I forget which level I'm on. Great. You know, I used to be a morning person, and then I got old, and things just stopped working. Unfortunately, folks, we can't help but get old. It's a part of the natural life cycle. And in my case, I was born with brain damage, so can't help that either. They've tried. It didn't work. Wow, at least I only needed to use one power-up on this level. But I only got 1 star? What the hell? I'm glad I didn't record that level last time. Or, well, 2 stars, but come on, that's ridiculous. Alright, that was what, 1007, right? Yep. Alright. 8. Must catch stars. It's interesting going back playing these levels because I do and don't remember playing them as clearly as my score will indicate, because I got so enraged at a 2-star level on the previous level. Let's get rid of all this ice crap. There we go. So, now that I've gotten rid of all the ice crap, will the ice come back? No, but the stupid yellow stuff will. I swear it reminds me of piss. Don't ask me why. Funny thing is, the chocolate stuff I can deal with, the other stuff I can't. Let's see here. Holy crap. There we go. Yay, level 1008. Now, I will say, folks, I am using genius suits. Tucker's wearing a genius suit. Todd's wearing a genius suit, which does give them extra moves. So, that's going to come into play later. So there is that, and I've not taken those suits off because, yeah, no. Oh no, did I just play this level? No, I didn't. Okay, whew. I was gonna say, Rutro, I got problems if I did. Okay, the ice is all gone. That's all gone. Okay, the obstacles, gone. I still hate these race cars. Please alternate the third dog power-up. For any new players of the game that come onto the game that aren't me, that aren't already at like level 1230. I hate that the third dog power-up is the same day. Like Tucker and Todd, I get. Tucker's being the Linda tracker, Todd's being the poop, I get. That's their personality. But because the third dog is either Journey or Echo or whatever, the power-up should match their... who they are. Not just, hey... we're going to have this game model here because... oh crap, I'm not doing the right thing. Got on my soapbox and forgot to do the right thing for the game mode. Alright folks, there's through 1009. I'm going to stop this here once I get my score and see if I get another ad. And I'll start it back up with 1010.